The easiest way to grow and make yourself among those successful ones in any industry you find yourself is being able to learn from the experience of those who have already gone through this tic-tac process and actually become greater people in the industry. Well, another is the main reason why I come on YouTube searching for videos related to forex trading or crypto trading. And that's why in this video, I want to recommend you 5 important books that you need to read about whether crypto or forex trading. Trust me, these 5 books are really going to impact you with all the single knowledge you need about trading. This could be teaching you how to analyze the market, building your mindset, your psychology for trading, and giving you that ability that those 1% successful traders have. And that's the reason why I want to share with you this book, so that you'll be able to develop your mindset before we actually get into the real part of trading, which I promised in my previous video where I discussed about spot trading. And I promise that I'll be talking about futures trading next. But I thought it wise that why don't I share with you these key books that have helped me, that I've actually been reading since I started trading, so you can also get your own cake of it, so that maybe probably this will help you set yourself up for trading, so you get to know every part of trading and every single thing you need to know about crypto or forex trading. So before we get into the book, so hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to Forex Hustle. On this channel, 2 things I focus on is crypto and forex. And so if you are someone who's interested in either crypto or forex, or you're interested in both just as I do, then don't forget to smash that subscribe button, turn on bell notification so that you don't get to miss out on any of the new videos that will be coming out, because we publish a minimum of 3 videos every single week. So if you don't want to miss out, smash that subscribe button. So with that already said, let's get into today's video. Let me share with you these books that you can start reading today to build your own mindset for trading. So the first forex trading book on my list is actually Naked Forex. So Naked Forex, trust me, this book is really important for you to learn, because with this one you'll be able to skip the whole stress of technical analysis and still get into the trade, because this book literally teaches you how you can trade without using any technical analysis. So a lot of traders will tell you that for you to be able to make good amount of money trading, you must learn technical analysis. Well, when I came across the book titled Naked Forex, that was when I realized that it's not always important to go through the technical analysis if you are a full beginner. It's better you start with the idea that this Naked Forex will impact in you, because with this one, you'll be able to build a firm in forex trading whilst you go on learning other things that has to do with technical analysis. And even with your technical analysis, trust me, trading without those technical analysis is also important, and that's what the 1% traders actually used to beat the average trader. Because those 1% traders, they learn to trade without technical analysis and also trade with technical analysis. And with the book titled Naked Forex, trust me, you can really get all of this in that ebook and then start trading right away. Like me, when I'm trading, I use both the technical analysis method and then the non-technical method. This depends on how the market is going, because I mainly trade 4 pairs when it comes to the forex trading. I mainly trade gold, okay, 3 pairs: gold against dollar, pounds against Japanese yen, and then euro dollar. So those are the pairs I mainly trade. And then when it comes to crypto, I trade a lot of pairs when it comes to crypto actually. But with this Naked Forex, not every single market that technical analysis will be able to take you through, and that's why you need a book like this, so that you'll be able to trade even when you don't spot, when that technical analysis isn't giving you a good entry point, but there is one with this non-technical strategy. So that is about the first book on my list, called Naked Forex. The second book on my list is actually what we call The Disciplined Trader. So even after learning all the single market analysis strategy, if you are not a disciplined trader, trust me, you are still going to make more losses than profit. Why? Because your attitude towards trading is the most important thing whenever you are trading, and that's why you need this ebook called The Disciplined Trader, so you'll be able to learn the winning attitude. This is an attitude that you need to put forth whenever you are trading, or when you are even not trading. This one will be able to help you understand the market better, because you'll be more disciplined to put more time into the market. So this book called The Disciplined Trader was actually written by Mark Douglas, and this book, trust me, since the first day I came across this book, whenever I feel like I'm not doing the right thing in the trading market, I always fall back to this book, because this book has a lot of things you need to do, like a lot of disciplinary lessons you need to learn to be able to get that winning attitude as a forex or crypto trader. Trust me, this is really important, because without those winning attitude, no matter how you learn technical analysis, no matter the strategy you learn from the book titled Naked Forex, you might still not be able to make good use of it, because you don't have the discipline to actually make use of those strategies. And that's why I recommend the second book on my list, called The Disciplined Trader. Trust me, you can check out all these books. All their links will be down in the video description. You can check out them, you can purchase them, or if you know, you can get them for free on the physical bookshop or bookstore station. Also, you can also go check them out. But getting them on your phone is always advisable. That's why I'll be linking to all these books down. So the third book on my list is actually called Market Wizard. So So this market wizard is not just like every other random book that was written from one man's experience. No, this book was actually written by Jack D. Swagger, and this book mainly contains interviews with top traders. So these are traders that has been in the industry and has been making that has made it in this industry since 1973 to date. So most of them were even more than 1973, because those are the set of people that actually started this forex trading of a thing. And this was an intense interview with all these people where they share their experience, both the mistakes they made, the right choices they made, and the things they did to actually be able to be counted among those 1% traders. And trust me, there's nothing more interesting to be able to see listen to this history of these people, get to learn more from these people, what they actually did that worked for them and things that did not work for them. And trust me, this will save you a lot of time and give you more experience rather than just getting off of your account, going to trade with a demo account without any experience. No, these interviews from these top traders will actually give you more knowledge you need to know about trading. Learn from their own mistakes, because the easiest way to actually grow is being able to learn from someone's mistake and not get yourself making those same mistakes again. But then learning from their mistake and also their experience will give you a way ahead of any other trader out there, because you will be able to know what to do and what not to do whilst trading and even after trading. And this one thing that contains in that market, the book titled The Market Wizard. And all these books, as I said, will be linked down in the description, so do well to check them out as well. So that is the third trading book on my list, called The Market Wizard. Now let's move to the fourth one on my list. So if you watched this video to this extent, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel in the comment section as well. So with that already said, let's move on to the fourth ebook on my list. So the fourth book on my list is actually called Chart Logic. So Chart Logic is actually a book that teaches you every single thing you need to know about crypto trading. So if you are just a beginner or an expert already, this book will actually help you a lot when it comes to crypto trading, because it teaches you every single detail you need to know about crypto trading, and also give you some important tools you need to be able to upscale your trading ability to be able to outperform the regular buy and hold trader. So with this book, I was able to learn every single thing I needed to get started with cryptocurrency. Like when I started first back in 2021, I was mainly trading more of forex than crypto. So along the line, when I started getting involved with this ebook, when I came across this book titled Chart Logic, it actually opened my mind that the crypto market isn't as illegal as people actually condemn, because most people condemn the crypto market and say that the crypto market is like a bit fishy as compared to the forex market. Though the crypto market is more of it's more volatile, but when you read books like Chart Logic, they tell you every single thing you need to know, and also being able to take advantage of those volatility in those forex market, in those crypto market, and this will also help you a lot. So if you are someone who is more interested in trading crypto rather than forex, trust me, this book should be your number one go-to place, so that you'll be able to learn every single thing this man has written in there. So this book was actually written by R.S. Vance JD. So hey, the name is probably long, so I had to shorten it up, and the Vance was the easiest one I can pronounce there, so that's why. So all these books will be linked down in the video comments, in the video description, in the order of how I actually list them in this video, so you'll be able to get them right. So that is about the fourth book on our list, which is actually called Chart Logic. This book is more influential if you want to trade cryptocurrency, because you'll be able to learn how and when this volatility actually occurs within crypto market, learn how to shake the market also, so that you'll be able to take the maximum profit of the market. So that is about the fourth book on my list. So now let's move to the final one. So before we get there, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So the final book on my list is what we call Sway. So before we get into the details of Sway, but why did I even bring this book in the first place? So here's why I brought this book. This book is actually a book that will help you make more decisions whilst trading. Making the right decision whilst trading is really important. Like all the other books that I've recommended, they will teach you every single thing you need to know about the market, how the market moves, how to control the market, how to take advantage of how these big guys control the market and the rest, how to build your own trading strategies and the rest. But when it comes to Sway, Sway is a total different book from all those books, but it's still in the same industry. Because when it comes to trading, so getting to the details of Sway, Sway is actually written by Ori Brafman and Ron Brofman. So Sway necessarily talks about the irrational behaviors a lot of traders actually pick up whilst trading. So these are behaviors that will easily kill your forex trading career if you don't control them. And in this way, Sway helps you to be able to build your psychology, so that once you sight these behaviors in you, you would be able to get rid of those behaviors and help you make the right decisions whilst trading. Because there are some behaviors that you put up whilst trading that will easily push you off the market easily. But with the help of a book like Sway, you'll be able to easily identify those behaviors so that they don't get to interfere with your trading career, so that you'll be able to make the right decisions whilst you are in the market. Like I actually took a trade on gold yesterday, so you can't see it because the camera is a bit far from my screen. So this is a trade I took almost 24 hours now. I took a sell trade that was going different ways, but I noticed some things were going on with me whilst I was watching the chart. But with some of the guidelines I got from school, I was able to stay off the chart after taking the trade. And then guess what? I woke up this morning to see the trade actually cross my take profit session, and that was a good news. But if I didn't read all this book and be able to develop my psychology that not always when market is going against you that is actually going to hit your stop loss, I wouldn't have been able to be patient enough to let the market go into the direction I predicted. And these are things that you will learn from all these books that I've shared with you. These books will not just teach you how to trade, they also give you that psychology you need to trade, so that you'll be able to control yourself whether the market is going in your favor or going against you. And this is one important reason why you need to learn from all these books. So as I said, all the books are linked in the video description. And for more trading information, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. The link will be down in this video description as well. So hope you find this video helpful. So if this sounds like you, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And in my next video, because I believe by then you'll be able to read at least one of these books, so whatever thing I'll be talking about that crypto futures trading, you'll be able to get idea of it. So that already said, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on the next video coming up. So have a nice day. Bye.